Welcome back to the Knit Crowd and yarnspirations.com. I'm your host Mikey. Today I'm going to show you how to knit 3 together. So it's a representative K3 together in patterns. So what we normally do with knitting, you're just going to go regularly into the regular knit stitch into one, but putting 3 together, what we have to do is count 1, 2, and 3 and simply just go along just like so, putting them into all 3 at the same time and knitting as normal. So just pop it through and those 3 just became 1. So let me show you one more time. So just grabbing 3, so just go 1, 2, and 3. It gets a little tight just so that you're aware. So you're getting into all 3 just like you see here, wrapping it as for knitting and then bringing it through. So this is how you knit 3 together. On behalf of Yarn Inspirations and the Knit Crowd, stay tuned for more free patterns and ideas right here on the Knit Crowd. We'll see you again real soon. Bye bye.